There's a sudden frenzy about Sony's Xperia designs, with a fresh concept phone just popping up under this brand. It's dubbed Sony Xperia 9 and it's an all-screen handsets. The Sony Xperia 9 keeps the core rectangular format of the Xperias, one that has been trademarked for many years now. This time though the front camera pulls an essential phone on us, with the sensor being placed in the middle of the screen's forehead. There's also a dual back camera here, with a flash between the two cameras. The buttons are kind of small and minimalistic, but let's face, Sony never made big buttons. There's no earpiece here, so the Xperia 9 probably relies on a piezoelectric mechanism of sorts. The screen goes all the way to the sides, top and bottom, and I'm guessing the screen to body ratio is higher than 83%. I find it odd that there's no camera button now, and I'm loving the fact that the back camera doesn't protrude. I can't exactly tell what this monoblock device is made of. Could be metal, but it could also be soft touch polycarbonate. The phone will run on Android 720 Nougat with optimized Sony custom UI. Being a flagship device, Xperia Edge will receive early access to Android OS compared to other Sony smartphones. Rumors are there that the Edge Premium will carry a 4K resolution screen with curves on both the edges, similar to S7 Edge. The build quality will be top-notch and it will have a unibody metal design. The main attraction of Edge Premium will be its dual setup primary camera with dual-tone LED flash. This dual camera setup is expected to be the best mobile camera of this year. Overall, Sony has tried to deliver the best that a consumer may think of. It will feature a non-removable battery that will have support for Quick Charge 4.0 technology. It will also come with fingerprint sensors and USB Type-C port. The internal storage of the phone will be either 64GB or 128GB. The phone will be available in many colors, like gold, silver, black, blue, and red. More information about Sony Xperia Edge Premium will be updated soon in this article. Till then, stay tuned with us and follow our social web pages.